In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "Sorry, you have been blocked" error for any website. This error usually appears when a website thinks your activity looks suspicious or automated, even if you're just browsing normally. It's often triggered by security tools or firewalls on the site, not necessarily because you did anything wrong. So in this video, I'll walk you through several practical things you can try on your own computer or device to get access back. First, start with the simplest step. Refresh the page. Sometimes the block is temporary or triggered by a one-off glitch. Click the refresh button or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on a Mac. If the site reloads normally, you're done. If the message still shows, move on to the next steps. Next, try using a different browser. For example, if you're on Chrome, switch to Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Different browsers handle cookies, extensions, and caching differently, and the block might only apply to one browser's data. If it works in another browser, you'll know the problem is likely related to your original browser's settings or stored data. If that doesn't help, clear your browser's cache and cookies for the site. Over time, corrupted or outdated cookies can confuse security systems. Go into your browser's settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear browsing data, focusing on cookies and cached images and files. Afterwards, close and reopen the browser, then try visiting the site again. If you use a VPN, proxy, or any kind of IP hiding software, turn it off temporarily. Many websites block ranges of IP addresses associated with VPNs or data centers. Disconnect from the VPN, wait a few seconds, and then reload the site using your normal internet connection. If the page loads now, the VPN IP was likely being blocked. It's also a good idea to disable browser extensions that could interfere with page loading, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or automation extensions. Turn them off one by one, refreshing the page each time to see if the error disappears. If you find one that causes the problem, leave it disabled for that site, or adjust its settings. If none of these steps work, restart your router or modem to get a new IP address, if your internet provider supports that. Simply turn the router off, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on and try again. Finally, if you're still blocked, look for a contact support or request access link on the error page. Briefly explain that you're a legitimate user who was blocked by mistake, and include the time and your general location, but never share passwords or sensitive information. The website's support team can often review and remove the block on their side.